Hey guys, we received these GLAKER hair clippers for men. So this is a professional hair clipper with a cordless clipper for hair cutting or the grooming. So this comes of the whole kit for barbers with the LED display as well and the 15 guided combs. So this really comes in this nice pack of the box to store everything. And this is a heavy quality clipper as I can feel in my hand. So these are the combed or this comb guided combs that can be used with all the different numbers as you can see. So they are soft corners from the top, and this is for the trimming. So this have a nice design on top of it, and also have this nice clipper thing. So they have this protective cap, and you can see they are all rechargeable. So you can recharge it with the things, and this is the USB-C recharging thing, and their charger comes as well. So see, these are the charging ports here. So there are the different chargers for both of these. One is for the main clipper, but both are the USB charger that you can use. So they have the lithium-ion battery and a good run time. So professional clipper because you have the whole kit and everything, and then the high performance sharp blade as well on the top. So there's a manual, the other literature and the stuff. This have this cape that you can wear for your hair cutting kit. So it's a 6500 RPM powerful motor and have a good storage case and the kit for the barber thing. So this is you can wear just to avoid the hair fall here and there. So there are charger cables, there oil for the trimmer. There's a brush to clean it, comb, and then the guided thing. Um, so it's a complete kit, I would say. And you can see a nice box and the quality here. So let me just take out this small packing stuff and then long press to start or small press to start this. So say it started. I'm just trying to show, and it's very fast as you can see. It is taking out the hair pretty nice, and it's not pinching me anything. So this smooth, and I'm not having any pain or anything by using this. So they have these guided things as well that you can use on top of these clippers. So say this is for the small clipper or the trimmer that you can just put in, and then you can use. So you can see the accuracy and the fast speed. So taking out and changing the comb is also easy. And this is the bigger clipper or the main clipper. And then this also have this adjustable side so that you can see, you can adjust these sides like the three different ways. So the lever is also pretty cool and you can adjust even with the comb all the different things in between. So say like this clipper also like no pinching, nothing. It's pretty smooth and fine, and you can use it with your hair. But for the video purpose, I'm just showing you there. So the comb size also it's the soft corners, and it's pretty good to put in any clipper and then use it. So I like this clipper, and it is really a good professional, high quality trimmer and easy to do, use, clean, and complete kit.